Alright guys, welcome back to Traders Union. It's been a good trading day so far. I just want to take us a few review of the day, just to analyze the chart with us so we could get along with the markets. Alright, so yesterday we couldn't take this trade, waiting for this breakout, of which we had this breakout, and we just wait for a retracement, of which we got a retracement at this level, 15-point level. We're currently on this trade now with 30 pips in profit, and yeah, we got in around this level here, 30 pips in profit, and looking at 200 pips as a take profit. The stop loss is just 12 pips stop loss. Yeah, we're looking at let's see, yeah, so 16 pips stop loss was the stop loss we had. So we're looking at 200 pips. This trade might take 2 days for you to get in. So how I took this trade, let me give you a very quick one on how I analyze the market. In the video support and resistance, the part 3, you're going to be seeing how I draw my support and resistance. From there you'll be able to understand this analysis better. So what I do basically is I look from the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. I look at the previous structure. If let's say for instance this is a downtrend, and all I do is just look for the previous structure, previous lower high, something like this. So when the market comes down this way, there's always gonna be a retracement in every trade. The market always move ups and down, goes up, retracement, goes up, retracement, goes down, retracement, goes down, retracement. So since we had this middle push down, I knew there was going to be a retracement, and this gave us a lower high. So from there you place your horizontal line. So whatever I'll be doing around this area is going to be sell. Whatever the market will be doing around this area is going to be sell. So but if the market eventually comes back to break this level, then we'll take buy. So as the market continue to move, you continue to adjust those levels. So like here we had a lower high here, adjust to this level, down to this level here, a lower high here. So I kept this yesterday. So the market was consolidating around this range. I just watched the market. So I don't trade consolidation except we have a major break. So yesterday we saw this breakout here. We're still waiting for more confirmation. It was this morning I saw that this market took out the structure. So and it gave us a Fibonacci here, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So give us the Fibonacci here, which was supposed to be a quick trade at this level, but I missed out on this trade. So I was patient for the trade to come back to give us another retracement, of which I got this one. Like I said, I'm 30 pips in profit. Yeah, so I got in around this level here. So the market came down, broke this structure, retraced here, broke this structure again, and gave us another retracement. So we'll take this trade, and now what I do, I use the Fibonacci to set my take profit. So each time the market gets to a Fibonacci level, there's always going to be a retracement. So I've set my take profit level. Once I get there, I take my take profits, I wait for retracement. So what I do basically, if the trend is up, I buy. If the trend is down, I sell. If it's a bullish trend, I'm buying. If it's a bearish trend, I'm selling. So that is how I do the trade. I keep it very simple. And the other factors I look into, let me give you for instance, like we saw the markets broke this level, I wait for a retracement, fine. So the market came down on this candle on the 4 hour. I need to wait for a kind of a bullish signal. So we saw this bullish candle, a little bit bullish, that was scaled down to the 1 hour time frame. to see what the market is doing. We scale down to the 1 hour time frame. You see the market is giving us kind of a bullish momentum here. It's going to come down below this low here. So move down to the 15 minutes to have a clearer view. So what I'm going to do here on 15 minutes, I'll take out my 50 EMA, my exponential moving average 50. So we'll see the market came and broke above it and retested. So at this was where I took my trade. I took my trade at this level here. Took my trade at this level, exactly this level. I patiently wait for the market. No, sorry, this is short, for long. All right, so I took my trade at this level, so 16 pips stop loss, and we had 234 take profit. This is my first take profit level, and this is my second take profit level. How did I get this take profit level? I got that through my Fibonacci. In the future video, I'm going to be giving you videos of how I trade the Fibonacci. So we have the Fibonacci here, 1, 2, 3. So the first level, second level. So sometimes the markets can get to this level, give us another retracement before going back here. So I just like to take some profit out of the market before, maybe if we have another pullback, we can put in other trade. We can add more position to the trade. So we're currently in profit now. Yeah. So looking at this trade, it's gonna take a longer time. So the main thing about trading, guys, is patience. If you have patience, you'll make money from the market. Just study the markets, know how markets work, find your own strategy. If you still don't have that ability to get your own strategy, look for a mentor, follow his strategy, follow him back to back, learn his ways. From your experience in the market, you begin to see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Then you begin to edit those things and keep high level of discipline. So you get patience, get knowledge, and discipline as well. It's not easy in the market. Whoever tell you that forex trading is easy is a lie. It's a lie. It's gonna take years of experience before you can trade the market successfully. Okay, so you guys should do well to spend time on the charts. Chart work as well is very, very useful. Chart work, spend time on the charts, go through the charts, study the charts, and know your pairs as well. All these things, you put them together, is gonna help you become a profitable trader. Okay, so it took me 2 days for me to get trade here. Yesterday I was not on trade, Friday I was not on trade, but today I got a trade. So if I can make 200 pips this week, boy, if this pair can give me just 200 pips this week, it's okay. Okay, so for beginner trader, you do well to take note of this. So I'll look one more pair that we're done for the day. I'll look Euro JPY. JPY. So I took this trade this morning. I think it was 60 pips as well. I think I took this trade, and I saw a rejection on a smaller time frame, which was on the 15 minutes. I saw rejection there. That was why I was out of the trade. So I saw a rejection at this level. Then I took my profits and I closed the trade. So you can see clear as day, the same thing the market is doing here. We have structure at this level. We're waiting for the market to break this structure. This level, the market can break this structure that we're looking for a buy trade. But now all we'll have here is a sell trade. But I'm believing before the break of the day we should have a break of this structure. The market let's say the market would push to this level and maybe come back here to give us retracement. Then we can have a very big push to the upside. So this is what I'm hoping to get from the market. We have already crossed the 1 hour moving average, but that is not enough. No, the market would need to give us a reversal pattern on a higher time frame for us to know the trend is gonna be reversing. But if it doesn't give us that pattern, even if we get a equal structure here, we can't take the trade. But once we break this level, we look for a reversal pattern, then we could be looking for a buy. So we'll do just patience for the market to do its thing. Then once we get our entry, boy, we're in the market. So that's what I did on this pair. Just patiently waiting to see what we have. Alright, so you can see clear as day the market is breaking that level. So once the market breaks this structure, wait for retracement. We pull out our Fibonacci 1.2. Yeah, maybe at this level, so with this level here. So we're getting our entry at this around this level. Okay, so in the future video I'll be going in depth. So I just want to do a quick analysis of what I'm doing. Just the future video I'll go in depth of how I take my trade. Yeah, so I'm more like intraday trader. I wait for my setup. If I don't get my setup, I don't take the trade. Even if the market is pushing 1,000 pips, I'm not interested. But once I get my setup, boy. So it is very good for you to have a trade setup that doesn't allow you to trade the market all the time. You have such setup, but it's gonna do you a lot more good than harm. Alright guys, we're gonna keep it very short on this video. I think that's what we have for today. The gold, I think let us take gold. Let's take a quick look on gold. I think gold, I'm also waiting for a retracement because also waiting for a retracement on gold. Sorry guys, so yeah, so on the 1 hour time frame you can see gold break the trend line, and this doesn't mean that the trend is down. I think gold is trying to give us a pullback here. If the market will be going down, we should be giving us a kind of a lower high structure. So we don't have a lower high structure here, we just have the markets pushing down. So if we can get a lower high structure, we should be looking for sell on the gold as well, because we break this far structure here. This far structure here has been broken. So if the gold can give us kind of a lower high, then we can sell gold downward. But we don't get a lower high, maybe kind of a reversal pattern can push to the upside as well. So we're just waiting to see what the market gives us on gold. We'll be waiting for that tomorrow. Dollar Swiss franc as well. You can see dollar Swiss franc as well also broke this structure. So we're looking for no, still haven't broken this structure yet. So I have my horizontal line here. So we'll see, waiting for what the market is gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow, see what's gonna happen here. If it break, we're buying above, and if it doesn't break, it give us kind of a retracement pattern, because we can see our trend line, the 4 hour trend line here. If we retest this trend line, we could be looking for sell down to this level. That's what we have on dollar Swiss franc. Then pound dollar as well. See, pound dollar as well is also retracing. I think it's also retracing as well. So everything is just retracing. I don't trade retracement. I trade the real move of the market. So I'm always patient. You can see my trend line here. It's clear as day on this level. This is my support level here. So just waiting tomorrow. We'll see what it does once the market's open. We'll see how it goes on. So in the future videos, you guys should just stick to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna be giving you a lot of good content. A lot of good content will be coming out. This is just a quick analysis of what I'm doing, how I use all the stuff. I'm gonna do those videos and I'll put it out there for you all to learn and share your ideas. So we're currently doing a series on support and resistance, and it's a very brief one, so do well to check on this video. If you're a new trader, do well to check, and also take time as well to study other traders and how they trade. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, we're gonna call it a day. So do well to trade well and stay safe. Have a nice day.